quiet corners of our lives, dreams whisper to us. This is a tale of such whispers turning into roars. In the heart of the city, under the cloak of twilight, a dream was sown from a simple passion. Every dream faces its storms, but with resilience, those passionate enough to persevere turn tides. And then, a breakthrough. The moment when the world begins to notice, acknowledging the beauty birthed from persistence, from side hustle to main hustle. Where once these hands crafted in solitude, now they inspire a community. This is not just a story of turning passion into profession. It's an invitation. What dreams whisper in your ear? Embrace them, nurture them, and watch them soar. Join us on this journey. Like, share, and subscribe to unfold your own dreams. Thanks for watching. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Share to inspire others and comment your thoughts below. See you next time.